Should I disconnect my MacBook Pro's power cord when the battery is fully charged? Well, if you bought a MacBook Pro, a laptop, you don't want to use it like a desktop, or else you would have bought a desktop. So, but there are some things that you can make to increase the health of your battery and lifetime, decrease its lifetime. So some of them are avoid the extreme temperatures, drops in physical stress that can damage the battery, or not using the a genuine charger, the right charger for this job. Um, Other than that, you know that you have a battery. It has a lifetime, and it's measured in principle by battery cycles, what Apple calls battery cycles. So you have a limited number of battery cycles for your battery in your MacBook Pro. So the more you use the battery, the less time it will last. So so let's see, for example, for a MacBook Pro, a MacBook 12-inch 2017, the maximum cycle count would be 1,000. And you see here for your case what's the maximum number of cycle counts from in which you would be recommended to replace your battery. So how can you see these cycle counts? First, what's a cycle count? So, for example, if you're running in your battery and you charge 50% in one day, the other day you use again the laptop on your battery and you have to recharge another 50%, so you have a 50% charge, and that's one cycle. To see the cycle count, you would go here to About this Mac, to System Report Power, and as you can see here, cycle count for me it's 394. So I have some more to go with this battery. You can see here other information about the battery. The state of the battery is 60%. Let's confirm. Yeah, that's correct. Um, and that's it. Just avoid hazard situations to your MacBook. Use it like a laptop. That's why you bought a laptop. And that's it. Be safe.